Let's talk about Julian Bowen Newbury dining chairs, brown, set of 2. Set includes 2 Newbury chairs constructed from solid hardwood with a durable lacquered finish in maple. The chairs feature a slat back and a padded, cream, faux leather seat for added comfort and a classic elegant look. Coordinating table available. Julian Bowen Newbury dining table to complete the look. Simple self-assembly required. Dimensions DXWXH, 41 by 52 by 93 cm, seat DXWXH, 39 by 40 by 46 cm, seat to top of back, 40.5 cm. These chairs were just what we were looking for. They are elegant and light, and above all fairly narrow, so we can fit more of them round the table, which made them pretty much unique. I'm not much enamored of the mock leather seat, which is a tad plasticky, but you must expect that at the price. There is also an extra hole like a screw hole under the top back rail, which we never discovered a reason for, and which was slightly confusing when making it up, but it doesn't show. Overall, very good value for money. Ordered through Prime as needed, quick for guests tomorrow. The chairs are clearly returned seconds. They have clearly been assembled and then taken apart, wooden plugs left in 2 places. Chipped veneer on top right of both backs and scratches by screw points where they have already been assembled. Lovely chairs. Just order from someone else. I ordered 4 of these chairs and they arrived on time, were well packed and easy to assemble. They are well made, look good and are very comfortable. I am delighted with these chairs and would recommend them.